that many forex traders are struggling, and their problem is not that they don't really know what to do, but the main issue here is finding opportunities like this to trade in such a direction. Many tried several times, but they did not succeed, not because they don't know how to trade. Sometimes they fail to see the trend of the market. Others fail to read the market accurately. Sometimes they ask themselves, what really is my problem? Is it that I don't know how to trade, or that the trade is punishing me, or that something is wrong with me? Now, in this video, I want to show you clearly how you can be able to enter trade and make profits using one simple method. Now, let me show you this. Look at this here. When you look at this particular thing, do you really know that even though this is 1 minute time frame, that this journey started from here and get to this place? So as one who is trading, each of the candle here represents, each of this candle here represents one candle, and in 30 minutes it has a lot inside. So taking a candle in 30 minutes successfully gives you the ability to scalp over 120 candles in 1 minute time frame. I mean 30 candles in 30 minutes time frame. So what should I do to be able to scalp like this? Let me warn you, don't be deceived when you are placing trade. Don't ever think that the best way to be successful is that you will trade like this. Don't make such a costly mistake. For you to be successful in forex trading, there are few things you should place under consideration. What are those things? Number one, your attention should be on how you can be able to place a trade and take one candle or two successfully. That should be your concern in your higher time frame. Imagine you taking a candle. Imagine you taking a candle like 1 hour candle successfully. So you becoming successful simply means that you we are able to see a trade like this. Imagine you placing your eyes on one candle in 1 hour time frame, and no matter what happened in that 1 hour time frame, that candle, you identified it as a bullish candle, and all that happened in that market, that candle later closed as a bullish candle. If you can do that 4 times in a week, it simply means that you have made profit that week. Please, I am not deceiving you, and I want you to know this. Deep down inside of you, take it and take it. It's just a simple truth. Now, you looking forward to place trade from this corner, maybe you want to scalp 2,000 candles, 10,000 candles, 10 million candles, and all of a sudden you are not even able to take one simple candle straight. So for that reason, it will be difficult for you to trade. So please, what should I do in such a case? I'm going to give you 2 or 1 indicators that can help you to grab this. Please follow this instruction. It's going to help you accurately. Now let's go down. Now, when you have when you want to place a trade, now let's add this indicator. Please go to the main chart, look for moving average. When you have the moving average, please take this thing as I am putting it. This is moving average 21. Look at it, 21. Please add exponential, then apply this thing to close. Good. So let's go back to it. This is what you have here. I'm showing you how you can identify a candle that you can place and it will be successful. Now, I'm using 30 minutes as a case study depending on your equity. Please take note of that. All right, so let's add up another one. Add moving average 8. Add moving average 8. You can increase the pixel. This time I'm using this one up, exponential 2. Now, have you seen this? Now, what should I do when I have this? After doing your practical analysis, go to your 30 minutes time frame. By then, you must have visited your day candle and notice what this thing represents here. So if you check, you will see something like this, knowing fully well that all the market has been moving in this direction. No, that has been moving upward and not downward. So they have not been able to cross over to this place. So you have a potential uptrend, which is a bullish movement. So when you have that, you should pay attention to what the market is saying. So there is no need for you to be panicking or thinking backward or something of that nature. So pay great attention to those things. It is what you need in the market and it's going to favor you accurately. All right. So when you do that, you go back to 30 minutes time frame. That is where you should pay attention to. Now, once you do that and you have noticed that this whole thing have crossed over to this place, please place your trade and don't ever think you will fail. The only reason you should fail is when you don't have enough capital that can manage the trade at that time. Like when you go over to 1 minute time frame, you will see what I'm telling you. The thing will be too clear for you to see. So at this crossing, you will now have more opportunities that even though the market will spike, it will not continue to go down. This is something you should know. One thing is for market to spike against you, another thing is for you to continue to spike against you. So if the thing continue to spike, which means you did not do your analysis very well. But if you do your analysis carefully, the market will continue to move in your direction and nothing will stop it. So if the market spike is just a little thing, you will not go completely on a loss, which means it will not touch your stop loss. But from there, the market will move in that direction. Like now, currently, when you check the market how it is moving, if you check this thing, you will see that this market spiked from this very corner, this place, and it moved down to this place. So which means, and even you place trade here, this is where the market will have leave you. So I don't know the amount that you have that can manage this. But if you want to be successful, please go to 30 minutes candle. Do this thing. Just keep your eyes on what I just showed you now. Just put your eyes on it. Then for you to be on the safer side, you know that as this market will be coming up to this place, you will not allow it to get to this point. That shouldn't happen. You should not allow it to get to this point, because if it gets here, there is a higher probability that the market may start coming backward like this. So don't make such a mistake. Your attention should be on how you can see a market that will give you at least 30 minutes on trade, and that 30 minutes you close it with profit. That is the essence of trading. So for some people that you will see that they will place trade and they will stay all through the day, the market will be like this. Those analyses are not done in 30 minutes. They do the same thing we do in lower time frame. They do it from their higher time frame. And they can only be able to do that just because they have the amount that can manage it. Remember, with $10, $20, $50, $100, as you are pushing, as you are pushing, this market you are seeing here can favor you when you do it in a lower time frame. Don't go and do your higher analysis from 4 hours to day candle and you play straight from there. A little shift from there will wipe out your account. Just have this at the back of your mind. So do this thing. Now let me go back and show you the indicators once again. The indicators I'm using is moving average 21, exponential. Then the second moving average is moving average 8, exponential. That is what I'm using. Add up those things and you will get the positive result that you need. Okay, just try this thing and give me a feedback. Just one candle from here. Once you see that this thing have crossed over to this place, then look forward to take a candle. When it gets to this point, please make sure you don't even allow it to get to this place, because anything can frustrate it. Just place your eyes on it. The essence of this moving averages is to show you the nature of the market, and you will definitely make something out of it. My name is GTFX. So stay by as we show you the more. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel